So we don't really have alimony in Texas. That is a term that's used in other states. And when I think about alimony, I think about something that is just given just because you were married for a certain amount of time. You just automatically get a payout. You get money after the divorce. In Texas, we have something called spousal maintenance. So you have to, first of all, be eligible to request it. You have to have been married at least 10 years. The longer you've been married, the longer you can request for spousal maintenance to apply, and potentially the more money you can get per month. But there's some really strict limitations on whether you're going to get it at all. You can qualify and still not be eligible to get it, and how much you're going to get and for how long. So if you've been married at least 10 years, or if you're disabled, if you're caring for a disabled child, or you've been the victim of domestic violence, then you are eligible to ask for spousal maintenance. That's the first part of the puzzle. The second part of the puzzle is that you have to show that you can't meet your minimum reasonable needs financially, and that you need extra funds to do so. So to do that, you're going to develop a budget with how much money you can make and what your expenses are. The court's going to look at what other assets you have in the divorce. They're not going to make this decision about spousal maintenance ongoing after the divorce until the divorce is final. And unfortunately, if you are getting any sort of assets at all, if you get the house or some retirement or some financial accounts, then the court is going to look at that and say, well, you've got money, you've got access to funds, or you can go sell that house. And they're going to say you can probably meet your minimum reasonable needs on that basis.